Hello friends! Today we're unboxing something super exciting, the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies fire truck. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here are the instructions. They'll help guide us. And look at this fire truck! Isn't it amazing? Here's the drill. You'll need a grown-up's help to add batteries so it can work properly. Safety first on this construction site. Let's count the wheels together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of wheels. Let's drill in the bolts. Drill! That's the sound of building fun. Now let's add the lights. How many can you count? I love squeezing the drill. It's so fun and easy to use. Let's use the stickers to add cool details on our fire truck. Wow, it looks awesome. Here's a fun surprise. The box turns into a playset. So don't throw it away. Just fold, flip, and tape it together. Now we have our very own firehouse. Look who's here. 2 firefighters. You can twist them to change their expressions. Hey buddy, you look a little worried. Are you okay? Don't worry. Spot the dog is here to help cheer you up. Let's add the water blaster to the end of the ladder. This helps us fight fires. Oh no! The fire hydrant is overflowing! Here's a special water bit for the drill. When you use it, the bolts look like flowing water. Isn't that neat? Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. There's a fire to fight. Let's go save the day. Spray the water blaster and extinguished. That means the fire is out. Well done, partner. Let's call it a day. And that's the Design and Drill Bolt Buddies fire truck. You can collect all the Design and Drill playsets to build your very own world of adventure.